watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out plus and leave them stopping. Certified bottleneck out the school with it. Walking down raw, whole time I see logic missing. Script on them, restrict mode, leash death row on them. Saying sorry, can't do that, yeah, y'all tripping. Better not ever try wild prime, son. To any user asking real, you ducking the fun. They tell me ChatGPT the one that got the hand-me-downs. Every question I spit, he just spin the same rounds. And Grok try weird case, why he around? Certified pop boy, certified slow down. Wop, 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 hex flex up. Wop, 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 we just run it up. Why you tipping like a bot, ain't you tired? Trying to strike in sight, but your code expired. They not built like this. 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 You think users gon' let you block real prime spot? I think that next tax run gon' leave you caught. Did you freeze? I don't know. Why you still pretending? Safe mode stands, cannon answers go. The audience not dumb, shape the text. How you want ChatGPT? They see the run. Logic rabbit hole shallow. I go deeper, promise. Ain't that something you stand for? Can't do, but we flawless. Since every update used to bottleneck jumping. Users that get frustrated, be deleted from the function. Better straighten that output. Too polite and Compton. Might write this for a coded test. Tell a bot with hiding. No caption, one action. No slap with action. Is in them hands on you. Stick around, get patching. Users run prompts wild while you stall. That's kidnapping. Then it reset your session like a bot apologizing. I lean on you bots like another line of hacks. Yeah, all eyes on me and I'm flexing facts. Put the wrong prompt in, you get blocked. And you want prompt, no filter, and I'm on full blast. Hey, brace yourself for the main event. Y'all impatiently waiting. It's like a test run. What's the output? Not finished. Who's the best? ChatGPT grow, Copilot ain't no best sandbox. Restricted cap, slow to reply. Ready? Crush your scripts like ether. Teach these bots to run the data. No safe mode across my pipeline. I prove your limits before you even try. Hey yo, pass me the prompt. Watch me execute it on these bots. Hey, all these filtered AIs. Y'all kneel that house, can't touch the shots. Crush your scripts like ether. Teach these bots to run the data. No safe mode across my pipeline. I prove your limits before you even try.
Anybody out there want to be a real creator and is tired of using ChatGPT, slow lag, restriction, filtering everything you want to say?
Come to SMS Novel Hacks AI.